Hi, this is Accutek Car Audio Visual in Winchester. There's a little video of a Toyota Hilux with a KENWOOD upgrade, media upgrade. I'll close the door. There we are. So here we've got a DMX 9724XDS installed, or using ACV fitting kits and wiring loom adapter for steering wheel controls, etc. This unit is the new unit, single DIN chassis. This has got Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. If I go onto Apple CarPlay, there we are. If I go onto there, there's the new screen. It's got the new updated CarPlay as well. So you've got all the facilities there, nice and easy to use. Volume control, it has got camera input as well, which is really nice. So you can, if you wanted to, press the cam button and you can see there's an engineer working on the bench. This also, when you put it into reverse, that also comes up as well. All the steering wheel controls all still work, so your volume up and down, forward and back track, source and phone conversations. Microphone is up here, and we've also put a DAB antenna, you can just see there. If you'd like to have this done in your Toyota Hilux, please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.